Hello to everybody, my name is Edilza Montañez, and in this opportunity I make the first task of the course, the English 5. In this opportunity I want to talk about a little about my process of learning the English language. During the course of previous years, I have studied English 1, English 2, English 3, and English 4, in which I learned several interesting and important topics and content to reach the goals. For example, in English 1, I learned variety of vocabulary, grammar in present simple, the verb to be, affirmative and negative form, W questions. In English 2, I can learn different content. For example, preposition, use of auxiliaries, events and the past tense, comparative and superlative, about sport, people, animals, and some personal facts. In English 3, I learn vocabulary and grammatical sentence, join to more ideas in logical way or to have more structure and harmony delivery. For example, I can improve some abilities or skills in English with different topics, conditional, imperative, modals, comparative, simple, present, past and future, present progressive, and prepositions. And the English 4, I learn to produce simple context or different texts on topic with family, personal interesting and standard language, and use different content for making some writing and experience using vocabulary and the different topics that seen in previous course. I have talked a lot about the following question. How do you practice writing, reading, speaking, and listening? What benefit have this activity brought to you in each skill? How much time do you dedicate each week to practice each skill? How do you prepare yourself to develop your writing, reading, speaking, and listening skills? What kind of activity do you engage to learn grammar? If we want it and make effort and can achieve anything. Why? Because today or now, I think that's many things. For example, for some years when I started taking that I started taking the degree, I was very afraid and facing challenges with a language of basic English communication skill. But by my motivation and my support of my family helped me to continue of these semesters or each semester developing of academic activities. I concern and I think a lot about the level of English because there are many things that I need to improve. I need to improve a skill that I need to acquire. For example, reading, listening, speaking, writing. I think that there are too many things that I don't understand when someone speaks. Then I think that I have several common understanding conversation and it's hard for me to speak fluently. I feel like I get blocked or forget everything. For example, now I forget that different things that I want to say in this video. I really do a little practice to improve this skill, writing a little when I do have to resort to help of the translator or complete my writing. However, I try to create habits, reading or listening to music in English to improve these communication skills. Have high expectation in this course to improve my level of English. For example, yesterday I have experience when I to assist to the web conference. There were really many things that I don't understand. I didn't understand. Sorry. So I have I think that it's better to dedicate to this more time to learning English, and that become to an excellent English teacher. Thank you for your attention.